Monggo, Pak.
Monggo, ndak pundi.
Niki sepedaan, Pak. Monggo. The road is going down. Subhanallah. Dek langkung, Mbak.
Monggo, Mas.
The road is climbing. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Come on, boy. Hi there. Today we're going to learn about captions. So what is caption and how do we write it? Let's find out with English on Bike. Caption is a few lines of text used to explain published photograph, video, table or graphic. What is the function of caption? To tell the readers what is going on in the picture, video, table or graphic. How do we construct a caption? Well, structure of caption. Well, the first one is event to answer the question of what. And then next is agent to answer the question of who. And the third one is called situation to answer the question when and where. You must consider to give specific info. Use present tense. Don't forget to identify people and location. When you are identifying people, begins from left to right. Now, let's have a look at an example of caption. So here we go. I got this picture from the Instagram of Jack Post Life. There is a cyclist wearing mask because this is still in pandemic era. Now let's see the caption. Going for a spin, a cyclist wearing a face mask tours around Jogja Palace compound amid the COVID-19 pandemic on Friday. Check the structure. What you think, guys? It's not difficult, right? Grab your best picture and try to make it. Have a nice try. Gotta go now. By the way, if you have anything to say, I'll be glad if you leave a comment. Monggo. Thank you. This is English on Bike. See you around.